Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll give you some pointers on how to position correctly when driving and how to avoid hitting the curb when parking up. So I'm just going to show you a clip of a video out of the Ultimate Driving course. The clip is from the video for moving off and stopping, which is something you'd normally do in your first driving lesson. I'll show you the parts of the video where I explain reference points for positioning. If you would like the full video and a video on every topic required to pass your driving test, then get the Ultimate Driving course. The way it works is that you watch the video before your driving lesson related to the topic you are covering on that day. This will give you the correct knowledge on that subject and you'll know exactly what you're supposed to do, so you can get into the car fully prepared. So this will definitely save you time and money on your driving lessons. And if you would like to view more free content from the Ultimate Driving course, then watch this video which I recently uploaded. The link is in the description below. In this video, we will simply be moving off, driving a short distance and then parking up again. You can see that our car is parked nice and close to the curb. This is what we call our parking position. And if you are just starting out learning to drive, then getting this position can be quite tricky. So we use reference points to help you with your judgment. So if you look at the front screen, you'll see the curb coming in on your screen at a certain point. The point at where the curb is coming in onto your screen is your reference point. The reference point will not be exactly the same for each person. Always make sure that you're sitting in your normal driving position and not leaning forward or to the side, otherwise the reference point will change. So whenever you're parking up, always make sure that the curb is coming in at whatever your reference point is. Because if the curb is coming in too far to the left of your reference point, then this means your car is too far away from the curb. And if the curb is coming in too much to the right of your reference point, then that will mean you are too close and you'll end up touching the curb. For moving off and stopping, we will be using So you want to get your car into the normal driving position, which is around a meter away from the curb. To get to the normal driving position, you would have to steer slightly right and then you would have to straighten up, which means steering slightly back to the left and then straightening your steering wheel. To help you keep a normal driving position from the curb, you can use a reference point like we did earlier for our parking position. Once your car is at the normal driving position, just see where the curb is coming in onto your screen. And wherever it's coming in, that's your reference point for your normal driving position. And like I said earlier, not every person's reference point is going to be exactly the same. And remember, these reference points are there to help you at the start of when you're learning to drive. As you get more experience, you shouldn't really need these reference points. To speed up more,